Good morning, guys. In front of me is TCL Tab 10L Generation 2, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. First of all, enter the settings, then select System and click on Backup. And here, if you want to activate backup to Google One, click on Turn On. And that's it. As you can see, the account has been applied. However, if you are not logged in with your account yet, with your Google account yet, you will have to provide your either your email address or phone number along with the password. So then your device backs up data automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. But if you want to do it right now, just click on Backup Now. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.